unboxing Pokemon cards. This is a tag team collection. Let's get straight into it. When you open up the pack, it comes with 4 good cards. Whatever this is, or this is. Okay. It also comes with 1 huge card. It also comes with a couple packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's recap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Without further ado, let's open up these 8 packs. Let's start with Sun and Moon. Let's see. Ah, looks like there's going to be no good cards in this one. We did get a reverse holo though. Let's see what we got. Okay, pretty good. But let's see if we can do better next time. Next pack. Go, ready? This one, Cosmic Eclipse. Let's see what we're gonna get. Good or bad? See, I don't know, but yay, we're gonna get a good card. Okay. I don't know about what we're gonna get, but I know it's gonna be pretty good. So I'm not gonna look. Let's see, ready? Coming up. Oh, this is the good card we got. Let's see what else we get. Pretty good, a lot better for pack number 2. You dropped a few cards. How about pack number 3? Let's see what we get. We got this pack. Let's see. Probably not going to get a good pack. When it's green like this, probably not going to get a good one. When it's like this, we're going to get a good one. Just to let you know for next time. Ooh. Okay, so far, good for now. We went through 4 packs. No, wait. I don't know. We went through 3 packs. Yeah, 5 more to go. Wow. Let's go with Cosmic Eclipse. And looks like we're not going to get something good this time. Let's see what we get though. Okay, pretty good. But we can do better next time, I believe. Sword and shield. Let's see what we get. I can't open up this pack. It's rock solid. Aw, it looks like we're not going to get something good. Let's see, let's speed it up. Okay, not so good. We are on the final 3 packs. So far, we've been having horrible luck, but we can do better. Okay, ready? Which one are we gonna pick? We have these 3 packs. I say we go for the... We're doing the sword and shield again. Let's see. Ah, we are not getting we are getting horrible luck. It's a mess down here. We're running out of packs. We have 2 more left. We still haven't got any good cards yet. This is going so bad. No! Time for the Evolutions pack. Oh, I saw a bit. We have a good card. Let's see what it is. Poliwag. Diglett. What is this? Seal. Oh, I saw a tiny bit of it. Don't look. Whatever this is. See, I think it's the next one. No, it's not this. Whoa! A mega Pidgeot EX. Wow! We got the good card. Wow. That was a very good pack. Our first good card of the day. Lost Thunder, our final pack. Today we haven't had good luck. Let's see if the last pack of the day would be good or bad for us. Let's see. Looks like we're only going to get 1 good card today. That's sad. Ooh, what's this? Looks pretty cool. Okay, that's the final good thing. Now, I'll show you the cards that came with the set. next card we have is EVGS. Next card we have is this tag team. The next card we have is this GX. And then the final good card we have is this tag team. Anyways, thank you all for watching. And I have a big Pokemon video coming up. How long, Daddy? Till the big bots arrive?
A few more weeks.
In a couple months, a big video. Expect tonight or tomorrow a mini Stitch video. Bye!